Growing Golden Virginia tobacco from seeds can be a rewarding process, but it requires patience and attention to detail. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Obtain seeds. You can purchase Golden Virginia tobacco seeds from various online retailers or specialized nurseries. Make sure to get high-quality seeds from a reputable source. Prepare seed trays or pots. Fill seed trays or small pots with a well-draining seed starting mix. Ensure that the containers have drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. Sow seeds. Sprinkle the Golden Virginia tobacco seeds evenly over the surface of the soil in the seed trays or pots. Press them lightly into the soil, but do not bury them too deeply, as tobacco seeds require light to germinate. Water. Moisten the soil gently using a misting spray bottle or a watering can with a fine rose attachment. Avoid overwatering, as this can cause the seeds to rot. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Provide light and warmth. Place the seed trays or pots in a warm location with plenty of sunlight or under grow lights. Golden Virginia tobacco seeds require temperatures of around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit to germinate successfully. Maintain humidity to help retain moisture and create a humid environment. You can cover the seed trays or pots with a clear plastic dome or plastic wrap. This will also create a greenhouse effect, promoting seed germination. Germination. Golden Virginia tobacco seeds typically germinate within 1 to 2 weeks under optimal conditions. Keep monitoring the soil moisture levels and ensure adequate light and warmth during this period. Transplanting. Once the seedlings have developed several true leaves and are sturdy enough to handle, typically after the 4th of June weeks, they can be transplanted into larger containers or directly into the garden. Harden off the seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions before transplanting. Outdoor planting. Choose a sunny location with well-drained soil for planting your Golden Virginia tobacco. Space the plants at least 18 to 24 inches apart to allow for proper air circulation and growth. Care and maintenance. Water the plants regularly, especially during dry periods, but avoid overwatering to prevent diseases. Remove any weeds that compete with the tobacco plants for nutrients and water. Additionally, monitor for pests and diseases, and take appropriate measures to control them if necessary. Harvesting. Golden Virginia tobacco plants typically mature in 60 to 90 days after transplanting. Harvest the leaves when they have turned yellow and feel slightly leathery to the touch. Cut the entire plant at ground level, leaving some stem attached for handling. Curing. Hang the harvested tobacco leaves in a well-ventilated, dry area out of direct sunlight to cure. The curing process can take several weeks to a few months, depending on environmental conditions. Once fully cured, the tobacco leaves can be processed further for smoking or other uses. By following these steps, you can successfully grow Golden Virginia tobacco from seeds and enjoy the process of cultivating your own tobacco plants.